Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Yahoo Mail account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Yahoo Mail account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in yahoo.com like this and hit enter. Or you can just simply search for Yahoo Mail login on the Google itself and hit enter, and you can see on the first result of Google there is the mail.yahoo.com. Click on over here, and this is the direct login page of Yahoo, whereas from the first tab we are on the home page of Yahoo. Now to log into your Yahoo Mail account from over here, you can see the mail option available at the top right corner of your screen. Click over here. As you can see, both of these pages login into your Yahoo Mail account. Since both of these websites are same, let's close one of these. And now to log into your Yahoo account, you'll be required to enter your username or your email or your mobile number over here, which you had registered on Yahoo at the time of creating your Yahoo account. After that, click on next to go through a procedure where you will be required to enter your password. Enter your password over there, and after that you will see the login button and click on sign in to log into your Yahoo Mail account. And there guys, this is how you log into your Yahoo Mail account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.